partnership between the IFRC and Land Rover started way back in 1954 in the desert of Dubai, where a series Land Rover converted into mobile health clinic supports the community-based health program with first aid response. This year we are back to test capability of the new Defender.
This is where the first Land Rovers came. They absolutely explored this region, so it's only fitting that we come here to test this new vehicle, push it to its limits, because that's what the new Defender's all about. It's really important to make sure that our vehicles are tested to the extreme, that the new Defender is absolutely at home here, is durable and reliable, and can drive anywhere again and again.
Mostly our role is to work with our volunteers worldwide. We deliver assistance in very difficult terrain to the affected and vulnerable communities in a safe and secure way.
The new Defender is the most capable Land Rover ever. It sits on 815mm tyres, which give a very large contact patch. It's fantastic on sand and incredibly smooth on the road as well, which is so important when Red Cross volunteers drive such long distances to reach people in need.
We are in 191 countries. Last year we were able globally to cover more than 13 million kilometers.
The agility on road is amazing. The engineers are obsessed about making this the most dynamic vehicle to drive. You can drive this car for hundreds of miles a day, absolutely effortlessly.
Our teams drive long hours and cover many miles to be able to deliver assistance.
The Red Cross is a perfect partner because these guys push the extremes all the time.
The Red Cross operates in some of the most hard-to-reach places on Earth. Together with Land Rover, we can reach people in crisis wherever they are.